It makes me sad when people say that quilting is a dying art. I think that we equate quilting to older people or older women. But I can tell you there are lots of young people quilting, men, women, all around the country, all around the world. Everybody loves to quilt. And I think about it being a dying art and I think, art never goes away. People always need some sort of a creative outlet. And why can't that be fabric? My name is Sara and I am a quilt instructor. I teach in person and I make lots of sewing videos. Oh, my favorite fabrics, anything bright and bold. I tend to go more loud with my fabrics. I'm not a super traditional quilter and I do really love working with batik fabrics too. The techniques in quilting that really excite me are when you take something that looks a little bit more complex and make it something simple. Lots of people are intimidated by the art of quilting. They look at a pattern and they look at the fabrics list that they need to put together to create that project, and it can be very intimidating. So I always say, go into your local quilt shop. There's always somebody in a quilt shop, even if it's another customer, who's there to help you and hold your hand and help you create a beautiful quilt. So I think that while it can be a little intimidating, start with baby steps. Find a pattern you like, then ask an experienced quilter for help, or find a fabric that you love, and then ask someone to help you find the perfect pattern to go along with it. I absolutely love teaching. First of all, I love the interaction with quilters. We have so much fun together. My students are just wonderful souls and have great personalities, and we have a really great time in class together. And I love when I can share a technique with them that excites them, that I see, you talk about the light bulb or just the excitement in their eyes when they see a new block come together, and then just introducing them to something new that they hadn't thought of before. I think that when you see people on camera, you kind of feel like you're friends with them and you're wondering what they're like as a person. And I think that part of what makes my videos really real is that I do talk to the camera like I'm talking to people in class. So if you're watching one of my videos, it's very much like what you would feel if you're in class with me, or even just being my friend and going out to dinner with me. So I always look forward to the opportunity to meet people that have seen my videos, because you're connecting with me through the video and I would love it if I can connect back with you. I'm really passionate about what I do. I genuinely love to sew and teach, and hope to see this industry of ours continue to flourish, and hope to see what people make one day.